Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how to add two or more numeric columns. Here in this file we can see three numeric columns. We can either add or subtract all these numeric columns row wise. Okay, note down the starting position and length. This starts in column 44, length is 5, column 50, length is 9, and column 60, length is 4. It's very easy to add or subtract numeric columns in sort program. Okay, you can use add and subtract in either inrec or outrec. Let me show the JCL. This is a JCL for adding two numeric columns. Okay, I'm retain the first 43 columns 1, 43, 44, 5 ZD. Okay, when you are going to add or subtract or multiply or divide, you're supposed to provide the data type. And you are supposed to provide the two data type. Okay, the current data type is either zone decimal or packed decimal or binary. Okay, and the two also could be either zone decimal, packed decimal or binary. It is better to give length. Okay, if you don't give length, it is going to assume a length. That length may not fit your expectation. Better to give length. And whenever you are adding or multiplying, increase the length. If you are subtracting, you can retain the same length. So make sure it doesn't go to negative value. If it goes to negative value, you take appropriate action. Okay, so right now we are going to add two numeric columns. Okay, 44, 5 ZD. We are going to add against 50, 9 ZD, and the resultant value we are converting to ZD again, and length is 9. Okay, this we are going to store in this file. 44, 5, which is 44, 5, this is 44, 5, and 50, 9. If you add 65,000 to 150, the resultant value is 65,150. Okay, and in the second JCL, we are adding three numeric columns, 44, 5, ZD, added to 50, 9 ZD, again added to 60, 4, ZD. Here we are adding three numeric columns. 150 will be added to 65,000, which will be 65,150, and we are going to add 1000 more, which will be 66,150. We are adding three numeric columns row wise. We can compare or add or subtract more than one column. Even you can give subtract here. In that case, it will be adding these two numeric columns, and the resultant value will be subtracted against this column. First, let us give add and submit and see. Okay, in the first output, we'll be having an addition of these two numeric columns. The second output, adding three numeric columns. Let me submit. Max is 0. It's very quick. You can see adding these two will result to 65,150. Adding these three, 66,150. So what is the output file? So this is the second output file. First output file, 65,150. And if you take the second value, 7,400. If you see the first file, let me open the input file in another screen. So this is the input file. If you add these two, 7,400. If you add these two, 10,250. Okay, if you add, and here in the last line, 1,450. If you add these two, 1,450. Okay, let me show the second file where we have added three columns. We are getting 1,150 for Sony Vaio laptop. Add these three, 65 plus 1, 66, 150. If you add these three, 7,900. You can see 7,900. Okay, in the last line, 1,650. If you add these three, it comes to 1,650. So this is how we have to add more than one numeric column. You can also subtract. Okay, I'm going to give subtract here. So what it is going to do, it is going to add these two numeric columns and subtract against the third column. Okay, let me come out of the file. I have to come out of the output file. I'm going to submit the JCL again. Submitted, entered successfully. Let me show the second file. You can see 64,150. So what we have done, we have added 2 columns and subtracted against the third column. Let's see the file. We added 2 columns, subtracted against the third column. Adding these 2 columns will result to 65,150 minus 1000. So 64,150. Okay, it comes to 64,150. Okay, here we have got 6,900. Let me show the file. 74. Okay, if you add these to 7,400 minus 500 will result to 6,900. So what we have done, we have added 2 columns and subtracted against third column. So this is how we can add or subtract 2 or more columns. In the previous video we added an integer value. Here we are adding the value in the file itself. Okay, and make sure the resultant value is converted to ZD and length is also specified. Okay, in addition, there is another alternate way of doing this. Instead of giving this 2 equal to ZD, length equal to 9, we can also give edit. Edit also used for converting or specifying the length. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So edit also is used for specifying the length. Instead of giving 2 equal to ZD, length equal to 9, you can still give edit equal TT. It means we are converting into ZD and 9 bytes in length. I'm going to submit this. Ran successfully. Hope you understood how to add or subtract 2 or more numeric columns using sort program. Thanks for watching this video.